right, we're going to finish up that example D right here. So again, we're moving left and right first. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we came over 12 units to the left. And sometimes you'll find it's a lot easier to work with your graphs if you have kind of them marked off. I like to count off by 5s. And that can actually really help you because you can see right here, this was -5, this was -10, and then we went 2 more. So we had a value of -12 for our D point. And then we need to count down. And it'll be a little bit easier to see if you look. Here is the -10. So if we come to this point, we already know that is -10, and we have to go 1 more. So our y value is -11, it was 1 more. So if your graph isn't labeled that way, it might be something that you would like to do just to help you. All right, so now we're going to do a few more on our own. So again, you're going to be plotting some points here. You can see some of them are already done. But if we're plotting A, remember we always start at our origin. Our x value is 5, so we're going to move to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go up 2. So here's point A. And then to find point B, the x value is -3, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. The y value is 1, so we're going to go up 1. And here's point B. Go ahead and erase that extra just so there's no confusion, and you're all set. Point C is already done for you, but we did the same thing. C was a -4, so we moved 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and then down 1, 2, and we end up at C. To calculate point D, our x value is 3, so we go 1, 2, 3, and then our y value is 0, so we do not go up, we do not go down, we stay right there. Erase the extra. There's a few examples at the bottom here for you to try. Graph points E, F, G, and H on your note sheet. And then we can go ahead and take a look at this problem. So we're just going to write the coordinates of the point. So again, before we even start, I'm going to go ahead and mark out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. And -5. And that's just going to help us to write our points a little bit faster. So if we look at A, we need to move to the left. We need to go 5 units. So we know our x value is -5. And then x needs to go down. So again, it's negative, and it goes down 1 unit. Go back to the origin, and let's calculate the coordinates for B. We need to move to the right. We need to move to the right 1 unit. So our coordinates are 1. And then our y coordinates, we're going to be going up. So again, it's still positive, and this time we only have to go up 4. For point C, I found it. It's down there in quadrant 4. I actually need to move to the right 1 unit again. So 1. This time I'm moving down, and I'm moving all the way down to 5, so it's -5. So you're going to go ahead and find the coordinates of the remaining points.